Yo guys, welcome back to another Kitty Crinkle YouTube video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to one-shot the Wizard Valley District Hall 4. So, we're going to be using this army comp right here to one-shot it. So, we're going to begin the attack with a haste spell and a ram, and then the Sparky will go down right after that. Then we're going to put the rage spell right next to those giant cannons, and we're going to just let this Sparky run through the middle of the base here and take out this wizard tower. And once the wizard tower goes down, it's going to move over to that cannon, and before it locks on, you place a skeleton barrel and a barbarian in the haste on the left, and they should move up towards the giant cannon, or the barbarian will go to that spell factory. And then you place another super barbarian to help take down that cannon cart, while the Sparky moves up to the spear throwers, and it should take them down pretty easily. And while it's doing that, you're going to get your giant ready to be placed in front of it before the giant cannons can lock on to the Sparky. And you're going to go in with 2 skeleton barrels right after that, a ram, and then a super barbarian before that the ram can open up the wall, and then put another ram next to that compartment. Then just let the Sparky run its course over there and place a skeleton barrel, a ram, and a barbarian up to the top hand corner of the base where those buildings are. And you're just going to let your Sparky take down those Inferno Towers. And once it takes down that last Inferno Tower, you're going to place a barbarian on that Super Wizard Tower, and that barbarian should trigger those giant bombs. And you can add another barbarian to help take it down faster. Then your troops will move and take out those trash buildings towards the bottom, and the Sparky should head over to those buildings on the right-hand corner of the base. And you will use your giant to tank for the cannon and spear thrower, so your Sparky can keep its health up, and it should tear through these defenses really easily. Then, once it has taken down that compartment, you'll use a super barbarian to trigger those bombs and tank for the Sparky. And right here, you should just have a couple of troops left over. So from here, you are going to be in the clear, and the base will go down as a one-shot. Thank you guys so much for watching.
Like and subscribe
For more Kitty Crinkle YouTube videos.